Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have not like and subscribe the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. This is the place where you can learn Microsoft Intune. Today in this video, I'm going to share about being as a IT professional or Intune admin. You should mark your calendar to get Microsoft endpoint management skills by Tech Community Live, right? So this is January 2026 edition. So if you are IT professionals or want to learn Microsoft Intune, you can save your calendar for Monday, January 2026. If you manage your endpoints, whether it's iOS, Android, or Mac or Windows devices with Microsoft Intune, this is the chance. This is your chance being as admin to connect directly with the experts, right, like me, and get answers to your toughest questions. This is not a typical webinar, right? It's interactive event packed where you can ask Microsoft anything, right? You can also bring your tough questions, right, or toughest question, and get the real time answer from the experts. So as you can see on my screen, on 26 January 2026 8 a.m., you have a defender, right? Microsoft, you want to learn how to secure your endpoints with the policy and Microsoft Defender. Manage apps like Pro with Intune, best practices for zero trust using Intune, and Copilot as agentic centric endpoint. This is the very good, since we all are moving to AI, right? Microsoft is also streamlining operations with AI. So endpoint management is evolving fast, right? And so are the challenges are also there. So this Tech Community Live event will give you the direct access to the Microsoft engineering team, right? Where they are creating a new features and capability in Intune. So you make sure you join, right? To how, right? So what you can do, you just browse the session and add to your calendar and make sure attend there, right? This being as a Intune admin, right, as a community matters, you let your network know that get the Intune answer and insight, right, on January 26th. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Intune blog, you can always refer the tech community, and you can also find on your Microsoft Intune channel. So where you have to go, you have to go to the home page and scroll down on the home page, and you see save the date Microsoft Tech Community Live January 2026, and I'll put this link in your descriptions, and you can open this calendar invite, right, and save it, right? So this is 26. You see, I have added to my calendar. It's 9:30 p.m. to 12:30 a.m. So make sure you add this and join and learn, or ask Microsoft anything. I hope being as a part of our channel, you must know all this tech community life, what is coming. So don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your colleagues. Till then, thank you. Have a good day.